tangent of a circle. Tangent is a perpendicular to the radius of point of contact. And about the theorem about the tangent segment theorem. The tangent segments from the external points are congruent. Now we studied about the touching circles. Touching circle is like the touching lines. Touching line means the tangent we see in the previous periods. What is meant by the definition of tangents? A line and circle having a one and only one common points. Or in other words, line is intersect the circle in one and only one point. Then that is the tangent. Meaning that lines are the touching lines. Similar to here the touching circles. Touching circles means if the two circles intersect at one and only one point. There are the two circles with center P and Q. Point of intersection is A. Here is the center of circle P and Q. That circles are called as the touching circles. Intersecting circles आपने last year पढ़े थे. If the two circle intersects each other at two distinct points, then that is the intersecting circle. Touching circle means the circle intersect one and only one point. Then that circles are known as the touching circles. In first case, if that here is also the common point is known as the point of contact. If we draw the tangent, common tangent from the common point, if we draw the L and M, if we draw the common tangent from the common point, the center of a circles are opposite to the common tangent, then that circle are the externally touching circle. Here, which is the externally touching circle. And if we draw the common tangent through the point of contact, then center of both the circle at one sides of the tangent, then that is called the internally touching circle. That is the internally touching circles. Another properties about that touching circles and point. Center of the circle and a point of a contact are collinear. Here, center of circles, touching circles. And point of a contact are collinear. That is the properties of a touching circles. Collinear means point P, Q और यहाँ पे point ये है touching point, contact point, वो collinear एक ही line के ऊपर होंगे. Easily हम prove कर सकते हैं. L is a passing through the point of a contact EA. That means L is the common tangent of the circles P and Q. PA is the radius, PA is the perpendicular to L. QA is also the radius of another circle, QA is also the perpendicular to L. Here is the PA is the perpendicular to L, QA is the perpendicular to L. PA is the perpendicular at point A, as well as QA is the perpendicular to the line L at point A. यानी एक ही पॉइंट के ऊपर दोनों परपेंडिकुलर्स है. And by properties at a one points, one and only one perpendicular can be drawn. कोई भी एक पॉइंट पे एक ही परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. Hence PAQ are collinear. डिफरेंस इतना से कि एक्सटर्नली और इंटरनली में when the circle are externally touching, then that point of contact is in between the two centers, and if that is the internally touching, then point of contact is one center of the circle is in between the center and one point of contact. Here, distance between these 2 points, when the internally touching here, distance PQ are distance of PQ are only the PQ is equal to, if that is the radius R1, that is the radius R2, R1 plus R2. When the circles are externally touching, then the distance between these two centers is equal to sum of their radii. And internally touching, if that is the R1 and that is the R2, means difference of that, when the internally touching, that difference is the difference between those two radii is equal to the distance between their centers. Is it right? That is about the touching circles. What is the theorem of a touching circles? Same, that is that theorem. If the two circles are touching circles, then the center of a circle and a point of a contact are कोलिनियर. कोलिनियर है तो 3 लाइन है सिर्फ कोलिनियर में. ये इसको परपेंडिकुलर, पी ए परपेंडिकुलर टू एल, क्यू ए परपेंडिकुलर टू एल. Both are the perpendicular to same line at one point. Therefore, by assumptions or by axioms, not assumptions, axioms or postulates, any one perpendicular can be drawn at one point to the line. Therefore, they are collinear. यही हमें प्रूव करना है. Then arc of the circle. That is the important part here. Arc of the circle. What is arc? Arc means similar to the segment, means the part of the line. The limited part of the line is called as the segments. Here the limited part of the circle, arc of the circle, is known as the arc. That is the arc of the circle. In that arc of the circle, if we draw the secant, that is the line AB is the secant of a circle with a center O, which intersect the circle at points A and B. Seconds divide the circle into two parts. Circle means we not take the areas, but we take that set of points. That divides the circle into two parts. Each part is known as the arc. That is also known as the arc. Both are the arc, which is written as the with the end points of that arc. If here is point X and here is point Y, here is arc AXB as well as arc AYB is the arc of the circle. Now, if we see that when the tangents divide the circle into two parts, the part which is opposite to center side, जिस साइड में सेंटर है उसके अपोजिट साइड में, that is called as the minor arc. Here the minor arc means छोटा arc. Minor arc here opposite to the center side. Opposite to the center is the minor arc. Here arc AXB is a minor arc. ऑब्वियसली अगर ये माइनर ये छोटा आर्क हुआ तो ये बड़ा आर्क हो जाएगा. बड़ा आर्क हुआ मीन्स ये कौन सा आर्क हो जाएगा? मेजर आर्क. दैट इज द मेजर आर्क. इफ वी जॉइन द OA and OB, if we join the OA and OB, radii of that circles, then there is the angle is a form at a center, that is known as the central angle. Central angle means angle formed at center of circle. Angle formed at the center of a circle is known as the central angle with that radius. That radius is connected with the endpoints of the arc. Therefore, angle AOB is the corresponding central arc of the arc AXB. Here, angle AOB is a corresponding central angle. Corresponding central angle of arc AXB. AXB का वो corresponding central angle है और AXB is the corresponding arc of the angle AOB. Central angle is also the divide the circle into two parts, into the major arc and minor arc. Is it right? That is the major and minor arc, major arc, that is the central angle. Now, measure of arc. Measure, not that measure, measures. Measures of arc means the measure of total arc of the circle. Is equal to 360 degree. Total arc of the circle is 360 degree. Here, and second, the measure of a minor arc is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angle. Measure of the minor arc is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angle. Measure of minor arc is equal to measure of its corresponding central angle. In that figure, measure of arc AXB is equal to measure of angle AOB. आर्क AXB का एंगल मेजर एंगल AOB के मेजर के बराबर रहेगा बिकॉज दे आर इज करस्पॉन्डिंग. थर्ड, अगर माइनर आर्क का मेजर निकल गया तो मेजर आर्क का मेजर कैसे निकालोगे? टोटल 360 है, उसमें से इसका ये मालूम है तो बाकी का मालूम सकते हो. हियर द मेजर ऑफ मेजर आर्क is equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. Measure of corresponding minor arc. In here, the measure of arc AYB is equal to 360 degree minus measure of arc AXB with respect to that figures. Measure of a semicircle, अगर if that secant is passing through the center, then that center से अगर pass होती है, then that secant is divide the circle into two equal parts. Total measure of the arc of the circle is 360, and that is called as the semicircle also. Therefore, the measure of a semicircle is 180 degree. Measure of a semicircle is 180 degree. If दैट इज द मेजर थीटा, तो इसमें इफ दैट इज इक्वल टू थीटा, यहाँ पे 360 डिग्री माइनस थीटा, जनरली थीटा एंगल सेंटर एंगल मेजर ऑफ एंगल इज डिनोटेड बाय थीटा, इज इट राइट? दैट इज अबाउट द arc of the circle. Now important part is the congruent arc. What is meant by the congruent arc? जैसे हम congruent segment बोलते हैं. Congruent segment means if length is equal then the segment is congruent. Length is equal then the segment is congruent. Angle के लिए if the measure is equal then angle is congruent. If O is the center, A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. If measure of that is the 75 degree, here is also the 75 degree. That is the 95 degree. Here, now that now we taking measure of a minor arc is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angle. Here measure of arc AB is equal to इसका corresponding angle 75 डिग्री का है, तो कितना हो जाएगा 75 डिग्री. मेजर ऑफ आर्क PQ, इसका भी सेंट्रल एंगल कितने डिग्री का है 75 डिग्री का. मेजर ऑफ आर्क PQ is equal to the 75 degree. Is the arc AB and arc PQ is congruent? जैसे हमने सेगमेंट के लिए लेंथ इक्वल है, सेगमेंट कॉन्ग्रुएंट. एंगल के लिए मेजर इक्वल है, तो वो एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट. आर्क के लिए व्हाट इज द रेशियो? ओनली इफ द मेजर इज इक्वल देन द आर्क इज नॉट कॉन्ग्रुएंट. देन which terms is required essential? If the radius, ये जो रेडियस है, रेडियस ऑफ द आर्क, रेडियस ऑफ द आर्क इज इक्वल. जैसे हमें आर्क ए बी यहाँ से उठा के अगर यहाँ रख दिया तो इक्वल मिल जाएगा. पी आर अगर यहाँ से उठा के अगर यहाँ डाल दिया तो इक्वल रहेगा. ये 75 है, तो कट करके डालेंगे तो उतना पार्ट. जैसे रेडियस बढ़ते जाएंगी आर्क की लेंथ भी कैसे हो जाएंगी, बढ़ती हो जाएंगी. देन hence the congruent arc means if measure and radii of arcs are equal, then the arc is called as कॉन्ग्रुएंट आर्क्स. अगर उसके मेजर भी इक्वल है और उसकी रेडियस भी इक्वल है, देन द आर्क इज कॉल्ड एज द कॉन्ग्रुएंट आर्क. इफ आर्क इज द कॉन्ग्रुएंट इफ द एंगल एंड radii, measure of a central angle are measure and the radii are equal, then the arc is known as the congruent arcs. congruent arcs के ऊपर कुछ थ्योरम्स है. वो थ्योरम्स सिंपल थ्योरम है. जैसे हमने इसके प्रीवियस ईयर में आपने एक थ्योरम पढ़े होंगे, congruent arcs are equidistant from the center, पढ़े हैं. वैसे ही आर्क्स के बारे में भी, कॉन्ग्रुएंट आर्क्स के बारे में कुछ एक थ्योरम है. two cards corresponding to the congruent arcs of the circle are congruent. Here the theorem is the cards corresponding to the congruent arcs of a circle are congruent. कार्ड्स करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द कांग्रुएंट आर्क और इन इफ देन स्टेटमेंट में लिखेंगे तो इफ द टू आर्क्स आर कांग्रुएंट देन देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग कार्ड्स आर आल्सो द कांग्रुएंट. हम सेम सर्कल में लेंगे, कांग्रुएंट सर्कल में नहीं. इफ O इज द सेंटर गिवन, AB, here is the CD. Arc AB and CD, arc CD of a circle with center O given part and arc AB is congruent with the arc CD. Arc AB is congruent with arc CD. To prove क्या करना है? If we join the cards, AB is the corresponding cards of arc AB and CD is the corresponding cards of the arc CD. Here, segment AB is a congruent with the segment CD. Segment अगर नहीं लिखना है, with related that card AB is congruent with the card CD. AB और CD हमें congruent करना है. Easy proof है. Prove that first join OA, OB, OC, OD. OA, OB, OC, OD, all the red dash we join. After joining that, how we prove that? We get the two triangles. हमें AB और CD prove करना है. Arc AB और arc CD congruent दिए. Prove that here arc AB is a congruent with the arc CD. That is given. That means measure of arc AB is equal to measure of arc CD. Is it right? दोनों arc equal है, मतलब उनके measure कैसे रहेंगे? Equal रहेंगे. By definition of the measure of arc, measure of arc is equal to the measure of is a corresponding central angle. Hence, measure of angle AOB is equal to measure of angle COD. That is the equation number 1. By the definition of measure of a minor arc. Measure of a minor arc is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angle. दोनों congruent है, दोनों आर्क congruent है, तो उसके सेंट्रल एंगल भी कैसे रहेंगे? congruent रहेंगे. Now in triangle AOB and a triangle COD, इस ट्रायंगल में ये वो OA, OB, OC, OD congruent रहेंगे because the radii of a same circle. Here side OA is a congruent with the side OC. Angle AOB is a congruent with angle COD. That is a 1. Side OB is a congruent with the side OD. Here region is the radii of same circle. Here is also the radii of same circle. Now side angle side test. This triangle AOB is a congruent with the triangle COD because side angle side test. These two triangles are congruent, means remaining all the parts are congruent. Therefore, the segment AB is congruent with the segment CB. That means segments AB means chord AB is congruent with the chord CB. इसका भी कॉन्वर्स है, जैसे यहाँ पे कार्ड्स करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द कॉन्ग्रुएंट आर्क्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, यहाँ कार्ड्स के जगह आर्क्स करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द कॉन्ग्रुएंट कार्ड्स आर आल्सो द कॉन्ग्रुएंट. आर्क कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो कार्ड भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहेंगे. उसका कॉन्वर्स है, कार्ड्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो आर्क भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहेंगे. कॉन्वर्स इसी हिसाब से प्रूव करना है. इज इट राइट? दैट इज अबाउट द आर्क्स ऑफ द सर्कल. ट्राई टू सॉल्व. प्रैक्टिस सेट.